Corona has now gripped entire world and has posed a major threat to entire humanity. Our normal day-to-day life, economy, health sector, schools etc. all are badly affected by the spread of this pandemic. Under these conditions, DRDO teamed up with various industrial partners and came up with many tools and technologies to fight back and help the nation. In this series of efforts, DRDO, in association with their industrial partner New Age Instruments and Materials Private Limited, who are an ISO-certified, DSIR-approved R&D lab in Gurugram, designed and developed a very effective chemical-free, UVC light-based surface disinfection tower that can be used to disinfect surfaces that are not possible to be disinfected by any other means like spray, chemicals etc. Entire process of disinfection can be achieved within 10 to 12 minutes for a room of 12 feet by 12 feet. This system is designed keeping in mind office rooms, factories, hospital rooms, airports, shopping malls, metros, hotels etc. Based on user feedback, various new features are added to make it even more effective, like system overall weight has been reduced from 45 kg to under 35 kg. To enhance UVC reflectivity, design is now improved with aluminum UV reflecting surface. Human movement sensor range has now increased to 5 meters, which can shut the system by sensing human presence within its 5-meter periphery within seconds. System now can be operated from a safe distance of 100 meters as compared to previous version that was having a range of operation 10 meters. Audio alarms are added to indicate disinfection in operation. Non-editable disinfection report can be generated from system for administrator so that he can cross-verify that if any particular room is disinfected prior to use or not. In software side, many new features and security aspects are added. Last month, New Age Instruments and Materials produced 3 units of UV blaster per week, which has now scaled up to more than 10 units a week. New Age Instruments and Materials is able to ramp up UV blaster production level up to 50 to 60 units a week if need arises. New Age is working to keep at least 10 units as an emergency buffer stock, which can be delivered at a very short notice under any emergency situation.